Hello, great people. This is your host Cyprian Josson, and today I'm taking you to the city of Nantes. It's a beautiful city. I visited Nantes recently to see my daughter who lives there, and she took me to a wonderful place. That's what you're saying now. Porte-Vue. That's the name. And in English they call it the Porte-Vue. So this place is wonderful, and you can see the height. You can look around. It gives you a magnificent panorama of the place. And if ever you come to France, this is the place to be.